I know some of you want to know if the little light is still on after you close your refrigerator. All of these questions are answered, including, about your refrigerator, of course. Like, is there food in your that comes alive? Is there a monster? Does it stink? Which you can't really find out. All you can see is by seeing. Is this thing still recording? Oh yeah. Well, basically, let's see what we got inside our fridge. We got milk, we got juice, we got eggs and other stuff. We got mayonnaise and other stuff. And we got a big blank space right here where the light is. Let's put you in, man. You might feel a bit cooling. That's normal. Wait, maybe I should give you a different view, cooler view. Here you go. How about a view of me? I can't really see. Well, all these questions are answered right here and right now. You can't hear me, can you? The light is off. And not hear any monsters. What's that? Holy crap, it's a blinking light. No! It's me opening the fridge to let you out. Let me review this video, and I know nothing happened.